Well, good morning. It's 7 a.m. It's Christmas. Joyeux Noel. Merry Christmas to all of you. We're starting with a little eggnog, Irish cream, rum, coffee, just to get things going. We're going to be getting this turkey ready here. Lovely turkey. And I'm going to try something special today. I'm going to put a lot of stuff into this thing so I can go up skiing and keep that thing moist. And I'm going to tell you exactly how this is going to work. So basically, yeah, there's a lot of good ingredient. That pound of butter, it is probably all going into that turkey. So we're going to start by splitting the skin over here. That I'm going to open this up, and we're just going to be putting a turmeric garlic butter in there, like a lot. I'm going to leave a seam over here, like a little barrage, so that the butter will actually stay inside the turkey, like inside in between the skin and the breast, so it keep it moist. And then after that, you go in the back of it and you stuff the same thing, the butter, between the seam and the back. You tuck it in. Hopefully, the butter can stay there as much as you can. But anyway, yeah. So that's all good. And then secondly, what we're gonna do is the butter and the bacon is what's going to keep this turkey very, very moist. It basically melts in your mouth, right? And so basically, this turkey, it's I call it my game meat turkey, bacon wrap turkey, game meat bacon wrap turkey. That's the name of this beauty. And basically, we've got some lamb here, we've got some duck, we've got some venison. We've got some pork sausage. We've got some chorizo in there. Got a bunch of ingredients I throw in there, like a lot of different stuff, a lot of spicy stuff as well too. Yeah, bit of Dijon mustard always, a bit of onions. We got some mushroom. We got some dates in here. We have some blueberries. Of course, some fresh eggs from the Willow Craft Farm from lovely Susan and Mikey in Pool Creek. And basically, this is just crackers. Yeah, just crackers. Gives it the salt right in there. You don't need to add any salt at all in this thing because the salt comes from the crackers. You throw the crackers into your blenders. You let it rip. And then, of course, it's going to be some lovely eggs from the farm as well, too, from Susan and Michael. I get all my garlic from them as well, too. I can't buy eggs and garlic from a grocery store anymore. It's over, man. I just buy from these guys. I get about $150 worth of garlic a year, like in the fall, like around October, and it's all hitting in my closet in a dark space, proper temperature, and paper bag. And then it will last me until next August, next September, until the garlic is back up again. So that's pretty much all I eat. So what's going to happen is when all of this is going to be all mixed up together and all this, we're going to be stuffing the turkey. The whole inside is going to be all stuffed up with all this thing. And then after that, we're going to wrap it all up in bacon. And then after that, there's a little bit of a liver right here. So I put that at the bottom there. It's going to be some onions going on there. It's going to be some garlic going on there. And some white wine. I just shoot cheap white wine. That's a Sauvignon Blanc. You don't want to put too much. I don't know. Maybe 4 or 5 ounces at the bottom there. Maybe a quarter of the pan. And then so what's going to happen here is as the turkey cooked, you're going to have all the juice and all that stuff coming from the stuffing here on the inside with all the different type of games. You're going to have the bacon. It's just going to be melting, on the outside of the turkey. And all that stuff's going to end out the bottom of this pan. The turkey doesn't even touch the bottom. The turkey's sitting on a rack on the top, right? It's going to be covered with foil paper. So what's going to happen here is, first of all, I'm going to put a turkey like this in the oven for about 10 minutes just to sear the outside of the turkey. So we're going to start by doing that. Then after that, I'm going to be adding the stuffing and the bacon to it. And then it's going to be covered with foil paper, not touching it. I may have to put a couple of toothpicks here to keep the foil paper from touching it. And so the weirdest thing is I'm going to show you in a picture. At Thanksgiving, I got a male turkey, right? This turkey is obviously a female because it never came with a dick. But I'll show you. There's pictures on the post right here. You'll see that, this. We're having a female turkey for Christmas this year. Got a bit of a rip-off, we didn't get the dick, so there you go. I'm not sure if you guys can hear this, but this is This is a chansonnier from Quebec. His name is Jonathan Gauthier. He started shooting videos on YouTube. I mean, on YouTube and Facebook. Right at the start of COVID. 4 shows a week, 2 to 4 hours every show. He would get 200 to 1,000 listeners coming at him, just partying with him all night long. He's up to 420 shows now. He's absolutely amazing. He's a great, great entertainer. He drinks when he plays. He calls you by name. He has conversation with people. Anyway, you guys check it out. Jonathan Gauthier. Awesome. Now he's famous to play at the old La Boîte à Chansons in old Quebec City. He also plays with Deux Pierrot at Montreal. He's quite a famous chansonnier in Quebec, obviously. But yeah, no, it's awesome. It's good times. He comes to your home. He parties with you. And so there we go. That's the scoop. That's the turkey. I'm going to get this sucker all ready to go. And I'm going to put that in the oven. I'm going to double, triple all the moisture into this thing because I'm going to go skiing for a couple of hours, 2 to 3 hours, go have lunch on top of the mountain. And then hopefully that's just going to stay as moist as it can. And then when I come back, that turkey should be pretty much ready. Let it sit. Let it sit for 2 hours minimum. Did you know that if you let it longer, you let the turkey sit, more tender it's going to get. So people are going to say the turkey's going to get cold. Doesn't matter if the turkey gets cold because you're going to serve it with hot gravy. So if you want your turkey to be moist and tender, let it sit for as long as you can. So this sucker is going to go in. I'm going to go up the mountain for 2 or 3 hours. I'm going to cut back down. It's probably going to be another hour and a half for the turkey to finish being totally cooked. Of course, I'm going to baste it a few times when I'm here. And then we'll be ready to go to Marnie. Merry Christmas. Cheers. Love you all. Share the love. It's free. Joyeux Noël. Les enfants tout le temps long, car c'est plus de femmes.